legendary burger chains, both with die-hard fans, but when it comes down to taste, nutrition, and value, which one really delivers? On the left, Five Guys, known for fresh, customizable burgers and truly endless toppings. And on the right, Shake Shack, serving up premium burgers with their famous Shack sauce and creative menu specials. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to what actually matters. Each category gets scored, and by the end, you'll know exactly which burger joint takes the crown in 2026. And trust me, the winner might take you by surprise. Okay, quick road map before we get messy with the patties. Here, what we're comparing today: single cheeseburger calories, sodium content, total fat, customization and toppings, value and portion size, plus those special menu items that keep things interesting. Ready? Let's go category by category. Alright, kicking things off with single cheeseburger calories. So Five Guys, I know they have that little cheeseburger option, but it's actually 600 calories. Not exactly light, right? Now, Shake Shack comes in with their single cheeseburger at 440 calories. Honestly, that's a pretty big gap, especially if you're keeping an eye on your daily intake. So if you want something a little lighter without sacrificing flavor, Shake Shack's got your back here. Next up is sodium content, and I gotta say, this is one you might overlook, but it matters. Five Guys' little cheeseburger lands at about 690 mg, and the standard cheeseburger jumps to 1050 mg. Not exactly low, but definitely not off the charts. Now Shake Shack, yikes, the single cheeseburger hits 200 mg and the double goes up to like 220 mg. That's basically your daily limit in a single sitting. So if you're sodium sensitive, Five Guys is the clear hero here. Seriously, those numbers are wild. On to total fat content. Five Guys, their little cheeseburger has 32 grams of fat, and the standard, get this, goes up to 55 grams. That's kind of a lot. Now, Shake Shack swings back with their single cheeseburger at just 24 grams and the double at 42 grams, so definitely more in check. Sure, it's still a burger, but at least it's not, a total fat overload. Point for Shake Shack here for keeping things a little more reasonable. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Five Guys literally hand cuts their fries fresh every single day, while Shake Shack uses their very own proprietary blend for fries. Next time you grab a side, maybe taste test with this in mind. Customization and toppings, now this is where Five Guys puts on a masterclass. I mean, you can literally stack on as many toppings as your heart and stomach desires. Grilled onions, mushrooms, jalapenos, all the sauces just go wild. And no extra charge, but if you're not careful, that calorie count can really sneak up on you. On the flip side, Shake Shack, they're more about carefully crafted burgers with signature options like their Shack sauce or that Shack stack. It's good, don't get me wrong, just more, curated. But honestly, for pure freedom, Five Guys steals this category. Let's talk value and portion size. Five Guys really isn't shy here: big, meaty burgers, and you can pile on all the toppings without spending extra. Yeah, the base price is a bit high, but you're getting a lot for your money. Now, Shake Shack is all about premium quality, fancy ingredients, beautifully branded, but the burgers can feel a little, light for what you're paying, and there's less play in what you get. If you're hungry and want the most bang for your buck, you already know Five Guys is coming out on top. Finally, special menu items, and this is where things flip again. Five Guys likes to keep things super consistent, maybe switching it up regionally sometimes, but nothing too wild. Shake Shack though, they get creative. Think the Shack stack that combines chicken with burger, brat burgers, shroom burger, all those cool regional exclusives. It's like, if you're bored with burgers, Shake Shack has something new to try every time. They definitely win on excitement here. Let's pull it all together with a score chart, see where each spot really shines. Calories and fat go to Shake Shack, sodium and customization definitely to Five Guys, value and size. Five Guys for sure, but special menu creativity, that's all Shake Shack. Kinda neat to see the strengths side by side, right? Alright, honest conclusion. If you're all about customizing your burger with every topping in the book and just want maximum value, Five Guys is your spot. But if you want something a little more refined, love creative specials, and want to keep an eye on your calories and fat, Shake Shack is seriously worth your time. Both are awesome, but for pure customization and value, Five Guys takes the win, while Shake Shack excels in the fun, premium, and lighter offerings department. If you found this comparison helpful, share it with your burger-loving friends so they don't miss it.